We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section complex numbers and quadratic equations. This question is on quadratic equations. This question appeared in Joint Entrance Examination Main held on 28th June 2022 in the first shift. The given question is the number of real solutions of the equation e power 4x plus 4e power 3x minus 58e power 2x plus 4e power x plus 1 is equal to 0 is required to find the number of real solutions of this equation. As we see, the given equation is a biquadratic equation in e power x, and we have no methods of finding the solutions of a biquadratic equations prescribed for our study. Therefore, we divide throughout by e power 2x and deal the question under quadratic equations. Now, dividing throughout by e power 2x, we get e power 4x by e power 2x, e power 2x plus 4e power 3x by e power 2x is 4e power x minus 58 plus 4e power minus x plus e power minus 2x is equal to 0. So, after dividing, we get this one. So, we see e power 2x and e power minus 2x and write it as a perfect square and balance the extra term. That is, e power 2x plus e power minus 2x is written as e power x plus e power minus x whole square. To balance that, we write minus 2. So, that is that one plus 4 times e power x plus e power minus x minus 58. Now put e power x plus e power minus x as t. Then this equation becomes t square plus 4t minus 58 minus 2 minus 60. It is now a quadratic equation in t. The factorization is very easy. The factors are t plus 10 into t minus 6 is equal to 0. We get t is equal to 6 and t is equal to minus 10 is rejected because t is equal to e power x plus e power minus x will always be greater than or equal to 2 for all x belongs to R. So, we reject t is equal to minus 10 because t is equal to e power x plus e power minus x is always greater than or equal to 2 for all x belongs to R. So, this implies t is equal to 6 means e power x plus e power minus x is equal to 6. Multiply throughout by e power x. You will get e power 2x plus 1 is equal to 6 e power x. Thus, we get a quadratic in e power x, that is e power 2x minus 6 e power x plus 1 is equal to 0. We solve for e power x. E power x is equal to minus b plus or minus under the square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That formula you apply and you will get e power x is equal to 6 plus or minus under the square root of 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 1, 4ac by 2. That is 6 plus or minus root 32, that is 4 root 2 by 2. Cancel the 2 both in the numerator and denominator. We get 3 plus 2 root 2, which is positive, obviously. Or 3 minus 2 root 2 is also positive because 2 root 2 is less than 3. Because these two are real. When you solve for x, you get logarithm of ln to the base e, logarithm to the base e of this, logarithm to the base e of this. Both exist as real numbers. X is equal to ln of 3 plus 2 root 2 or ln of 3 minus 2 root 2. Thus, the given equation has two real solutions. Therefore, the answer to this question is 2. So that is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem from the section complex numbers and quadratic equations. And I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.